Fight. World star, fight. World star, fight. Fight.
I got him right here. Ready? Look, he knows. Look at him. He don't know where to put his foot.
What's going on, YouTubers? Here goes the beginning of another vlog. We are currently in an Uber, paid for by Javier, surprisingly, and it's a lift. Bro. It's a lift. All right, it's a lift. We're heading to the Strip now and do some sightseeing stuff. We're gonna head to the Bellagio, right? Bellagio?
Yes.
Yeah. We are going to a buffet.
World famous. Top 3 in the world.
And if you're wondering how the hell did I get a haircut, I forgot to tell you that the most extraordinary man in the world, Lefty, not only can haul, not only can he cook, he's also a decent barber.
Yo.
Triple threat.
Jack of all trades.
He's a renaissance man.
Master of none.
And no one has picked him up. We'll take him. Keep gunning. That's what we need to be pulling out of right here. And going to Bellagio. It's nothing like Vegas, man. It's beautiful here. Guys gambling with tall boys. The drunk brothers. How's it going over here, Vicky? Them? How we looking? Oh, you won $10. You won $2.
I put $2 in it, thinking I caught it.
Oh my God. Max bet, kid. What we doing? You gotta bet. You gotta bet. You don't know what you're doing now. Okay. Jackpot. Nothing. I'm a jinx. I'm out of here. Time to eat, baby. Time to eat. The line is crazy. The line is crazy. The line is crazy. Ill buffet, kid. Look at that line. Them balls, man. Look at this line.
This is jalapeno cheddar. This is Italian sauce.
Yeah, it's lit. It's lit in here. It's lit. No wonder it was $40 a person. No wonder it was $40 a minute. Okay, Old Jones. My man, I'm ready when you are. I'm a simple man. I'll take onions and cheese. And can I have tomatoes at the end? Can I have them cold?
Yes, sir. Why not, sir?
The man. Look at this.
¿Quieres queso los dos, verdad? En este nada más, ¿verdad?
Poquito en ese.
¿Poquito? Bien, poquito. ¿Está bien? Thank you very much, sir. Have a great day.
Can I get some cold tomatoes on here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, thank you. That's beautiful.
Yes, like that, sir?
That's beautiful. Yes, sir.
What kind of clear looking at that?
Buen provecho. Buen provecho.
Thank you.
Look at that. How much food do we make?
Alcoholic on this trip.
Oh, that'd be
Overnight.
pretty good. It's good.
Nice.
Overnight alcoholic.
I was born in alcohol. I'll just grab like
And then second to the alcoholic. Look at this. He's staying in the bullshit.
How you go to the dessert table and come back with a piece of bread and toast?
Yo, he came back with
dessert.
toast. I forgot to record that.
Toast was fire. Y'all niggas
With a
is hating.
beanie on, yo.
Nah, yo, you gotta show them the fresh cut.
It's day 9. It's day 9. You stay with a beanie.
Ray J.
What the fuck?
Beat the fucked off.
I would have caught you with the left hook to your teeth, my nigga.
That would have hurt.
Huh?
That would have hurt.
Oh, I would have knocked you out.
You would have
Probably
had
would have killed you.
Yeah, you would have had to explain that to them. And you wouldn't even have to tell her that you hit. So, yeah, it happened to Vegas.
I'm
I don't know.
leaving the country, man.
I don't know what happened. She goes, yeah, but he left with you, man.
She looked like, she's so sweet, like,
Yeah, so I don't think Debbie looked.
but then she.
You're under arrest, buddy.
You can't resist arrest. I'm trying to keep these.
I love drinking, man.
Go crazy.
It's a taste, bro.
Go crazy.
What's up with you?
You're not
Why
that
you
much of a
going
drinker.
for?
Give the lefty.
That tastes like Casamigos and ice. Oh, okay. I see you. You see him?
Look at that stance.
Guys, good man. How you doing? What's up, brother?
How you doing, bro?
Good, man. Good.
What's up, buddy?
Yeah, you don't know.
Go.
You live.
No money involved. You have a question. All right?
What up?
Would you hold it down is the question. Would you hold it down if your mom was cheating on your father, but you knew?
What?
You telling
Yeah,
on
you
your dad?
Are you telling on your father or you going to hold it down and not say nothing?
If my dad was cheating
If your
on
mom was cheating on your father, you knew. Were you going to tell your father or you going to hold it down?
hold it down.
Oh, shit.
You a real one, huh?
Yeah, you better than me. Sounding like a motherfucker. Appreciate you.
Nah, nigga, I came over here.
Lefty, I'm sorry if I did something.
Bro,
I
I
just put my drink
don't
back.
got it.
Come on,
Give me a
guys.
sip. How am I gonna do that to you?
Please, man.
Vic, just lift that up. Maybe it's under there. It's got to be somewhere.
Here. Come on.
It's not even wet.
You responsible. You got to be. Alcohol missing? Where else we going? Where else are we going?
I still got more.
You gotta try, right?
Yeah, fuck you too. And you want to be down with him? Fuck you too.
Yo, Lamborghini.
Fuck those niggas. Look, they're getting together.
Damn, man. You're like a fucking
that? What is that,
human
man?
Google.
What is that?
That's Americana.
Huracan.
Huracan. I had that shit back in high school.
Yeah.
Poncho!
Good, Playboy. What's up, baby? What's up, man?
Brothers. Got me nervous. I'm like, what's good with you, nigga? Have a good time, yo. Yeah, pull up, man. Pull up, man. Peace. The double. That's what's up, man. Oh shit. Nah, fam, this is like the Walmart. I'm dead ass, bro.
I know, man.
Whoa, look at this guy. He's pissed.
Oh, he wants.
We got it. Yo,
We got you.
Waive the fees. We'll beat him up. Waive the fees. Keep that. 13 cash. Shut that shit off.
We'll beat him right
Shut
now.
that shit off.
Oh, you jumping out the car right away? Yo, man, nah.
He's trying to get the gristles. Look, he's trying to get the gristles.
Yeah, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. That's what she said. Yeah. Yo. That's my move right there. Look at that.
That's your wave?
That's my wave right there, yo. That's my wave right there. That's your wave out there? That's my wife right there, man. Look at those.
Take a picture, Manny.
I'm taking a picture right now. Hold on. Stay still. Wait. Go back.
Beer heaven.
I didn't get it. I was in the wrong setting.
Got the ocean out on here too. Yo, my boy Aki and an IPA?
That's 20 ounce.
Cause you don't.
What's up? What you working with? What you working with?
Keep gunning, nigga.
Oh.
Oh shit, he's back.
Let's go.
Come on, he's fucking done. Hey guys, so this video that you're watching right now, yeah, I cut out so many scenes to where my friends were getting drunk. I must have scrapped at least 20 plus clips. I've came to reality, and I've came to grips to it. My friends love booze. So I'm gonna end this video like this. Don't drink and drive. Keep gunning.